Hello Class 12 CBSE Computer Science students who are preparing for your compartment examinations next month. This video is here to help you revise and boost your confidence in key concepts. Let's dive in and ensure you are prepared well to crack your examinations. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's get started. So the next question we are going to see under the random function is here. So we are solving the random function type of questions line by line. Hope it is useful for you all, the students who are studying for their compartment examinations as well as their main examinations. Okay, let us read the question now. Observe the following program and answer the following questions. Okay, import random and they have initialized x is equal to 3 and n is equal to random.randint of 1 comma x. So what is 1 comma x? We know x as 3. Okay, they have given x is equal to 3. So just randint will take the value of 1 comma 3. X is equal to 3 and value of n takes 1 comma 2 comma 3. I have specified here in this box. The next is for loop for I in range of n. So okay, for I in range of n, you should print I hash I plus 1. Okay, so when n is equal to 1, what it is happening? Range of n, just write n is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So let us make the indexing for this. So when we make the indexing, we'll start from 0, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. They are asking you to use this for loop for I in range of capital N. You should understand that what is I here? I is your indexing. This is 0, 1, 2 is called as what? This is called as I values, and this is your N values. You already know that. So for I in range of N, you should print what? I comma hash and I plus 1 you should print. So when I in range of 1, on the starting I in range of 1, what is the value of I? On range of 1, the value of I is 0, right? So let us write when I is equal to, when n is equal to 1, so the value of I is 0 hash 0 plus 1, so which gives you 0 hash 1, right? When n is equal to 2, so what is the next iteration? N is equal to 2, the value of I is 1. Okay, 1 hash 1 plus 1, which is 1 hash 1 hash 2, right? Then n is equal to 3. This is n equal to 3, and what is the value of I? I is equal to 2. So 2 hash, what is I? I is 2 plus 1, which is 2 hash 3. So this is your output. Okay. So let us read the question which is asked here. What is the minimum and maximum number of times the loop will execute? So what is the minimum number of times the loop will execute? It is 1 time, right? So the minimum number of time it is executing is 1 time. So n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1 is your minimum number of time the loop executes, and the maximum number of time the loop executes is 3. Okay. So the minimum number of time the loop executes is 1 and the maximum number of time the loop executes is 3. So what is the next question? Find out which option of outputs out of 1 and 4 will not be expected from the program. So they have given the options. Out of these 4 options, you should find that which option will be not expected in this output. So 0 hash 1 is there in the output, and 1 hash 2 is there in the output. 2 hash 3 is also there in the output. Which is not expected is your answer here. So this 3#4 is not expected in your program. So this is not your output. So that's why we are going to select this answer. Okay. Hope you all understand this question. We'll see on the next video with next type of important questions. Until then, study well. Thank you.